Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Audi SQ5 Sportback. The 2026 Audi SQ5 Sportback is making waves in the luxury SUV market with a bold new design, upgraded features, and an enhanced driving experience. Audi's decision to keep the current SQ5 on sale alongside the 2026 model is an unusual yet exciting move, giving consumers more options while ensuring they have access to the latest and greatest in Audi's performance SUV lineup. The 2026 Audi SQ5 Sportback presents a modernized version of its predecessor, with fresh exterior and interior updates that elevate its appeal. The most noticeable change is in the exterior styling. The 2026 model introduces a more expressive front end, featuring redesigned headlamps and a sleek, clamshell-style hood with a newly defined crease. The sporty upward kick in the rear door sill line from the previous model has been replaced by a straighter, more polished line, giving the SUV a more businesslike appearance. While the exterior sees a significant transformation, the 2026 SQ5 also benefits from the latest updates inside, combining cutting-edge technology with Audi's signature luxury. The cabin offers a range of upholstery and trim choices, as well as modern tech features that enhance comfort and convenience. Audi has always been known for its luxurious interiors, and the 2026 SQ5 is no exception. Whether you opt for the standard body style or the sleeker Sportback variant, the interior is designed to impress. Heated, power-adjustable front seats come standard, while diamond-stitched quilted leather upholstery is available at the touch of a button. For those seeking additional comfort, options like ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and extra leather trim for the front row are available. The new model brings even more to the table with updated tech features, including a modernized infotainment system and a refined design that incorporates high-quality materials, reminiscent of Audi's higher-end SUVs. It's clear that the 2026 SQ5 has been crafted with attention to detail and a focus on creating a premium driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi SQ5 Sportback delivers impressive performance. Both the new and outgoing models are powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, but the 2026 version offers a significant boost in power. With 362 horsepower, it delivers 13 more horsepower than the previous SQ5 and 94 more than the standard Q5, which is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbo 4. Audi has also made changes to the transmission, with the 2026 SQ5 now equipped with a 7-speed automatic transmission, replacing the previous 8-speed setup. As always, Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard, providing superior traction and handling in all conditions. The outgoing SQ5 can direct up to 85% of its torque to the rear wheels, ensuring a dynamic and engaging driving experience. The price of the 2026 Audi SQ5 starts at $59,695 and goes up to $70,195 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.